Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the sweet friends are good and healthy. God bless you all and always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much friends for watching my previous videos and supporting me. I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see friends, in this video I am providing you gorgeous and trendy amazing nail art ideas. It's very beautiful and simple nail art and easy to apply. So please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end because all of these designs are so stunning and so unique. I hope you all love this type of beautiful collection. So viewers, share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of nail art ideas. I really hope that they will love this amazing collection. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors collection. In this video you will see different colors, different decent and unique designs. You can apply these most amazing designs on your nails for more beautiful and classical look. Thank you my lovely friends for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's an amazing collection for them. They will get new designs, new ideas related to your nail art. So friends, if you all love this article and if you want more designs and more ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel, don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. When you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. See you soon. Bye bye.